Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this expression, which is 2 divided by 1 divided by 2 times 2. If you are genius, then solve this question just in 30 seconds. But if you are student and do not know about this question, that how we can simplify this expression, then I can simplify this question step by step. So complete video watch and do not skip this video. So in this video I can tell you about PEMDAS rule, which is very important for mathematics calculation. Okay guys, now here mostly person can wrong this question and he can solve it as 2 divided by, mostly people can cancel these two and these two with each other, and the result is 1 multiplied by 1. Okay guys, when you cancel 2 and 2, then the result is 2 divided by 1 multiplied by 1. Now he can solve it again and the final answer is 2. But guys, this answer is wrong, because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS and most important for mathematics operation. So guys, now I can solve you this question according to PEMDAS rule, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Guys, remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So here M and D stand for multiplication and division. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. But also remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So guys, I can remove it. Now I can simplify these expressions step by step. Now remember that one rule which is very important for calculation, which is KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip. KCF rule state that when you change division to multiplication, then numerator is changed to denominator and denominator changed to numerator. So we can write it as 2 multiply by 2 times 2. Here I can change division to multiplication. Now in next step guys, 2 times 2, which is equal to 4, and 4 times 2 equal to 8. Guys, 8 is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question. Thanks a lot and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.